High voltage line clamps, securing power, ensuring safety. Designed for high voltage transmission lines, our clamps ensure reliable conductivity and mechanical strength. Strong grip, excellent conductivity, and superior corrosion resistance. Built for the toughest environments. Manufactured with advanced casting and machining processes, every clamp passes strict mechanical and electrical tests. Our clamps have been exported to numerous countries, supporting power projects worldwide. Reliable power connections from design to delivery. Contact us for customized solutions.